There was a mischievous little squirrel named Sammy. Sammy loved to collect acorns. One day, he found the biggest acorn ever. It was shiny, golden, and he was sure it was magic. Sammy rushed to show his friends. "Look at my magic acorn," he said proudly. But when he tried to make it float with his magic powers, he accidentally sneezed. Achoo! And the acorn flew straight up into a tree and got stuck. Sammy climbed the tree to get it back, but he slipped and landed in a big pile of leaves. Oof! Then his friend, Tilly the rabbit, hopped over. "What happened to your magic acorn?" Sammy shrugged. "I think it's more of a sneeze acorn." From then, Sammy's sneezes became legendary, and his acorns always seemed to go flying. Now close your eyes and dream of flying acorns.